Team Pelotonel, siyempre kilalanin muna natin ating dalawang bisita. Nahin natin si Ma'am. Ma'am, introduce yourself. What is your name and where are you from?
Raisa Bay from Davao.
Ma'am Raisa from Davao. Guys, palapakan po natin, folks. How about you po? What is your name and where are you from?
My name is Gigi from Davao. My name is Gigi from Davao. Yes, po.
Ma'am V, si Ma'am VJ from Davao. Palapakan po natin, folks. Both taga Davao. Alright, now. Ready na ba kayo, guys? Alright, now, guys. Meet our gentle giants. And there you go. Once again, folks, these are our gentle giants. Having a pretty spider with a scientific name of Python vivipatus. They are the third largest species snakes in the world because they can reach up to 24 feet long and 90 kilograms. So Piola here is weighing about nasa 3 to 4 kilograms at Daniel po dito is nasa 8 to 8 kilograms. So medyo mabigat lang konti sa kanila. Sino unahin natin sa kanila, Kuya Jiman? Okay, si Ma'am. Ma'am, sino kasama natin ngayong hapon? Asan kasama ni Ma'am? Asan? May kasama ba si Ma'am? Okay, sa mga kasama naman, teka lang sa Google Photos for her, please. Itong may video ni Ma'am sa Facebook, pang Instagram. Ma'am, show your Valentino. Relax. Okay, ayan. Okay na ba? Okay na. O, dito ka, Ma'am. Okay na ba, ate? Mukhang we should be good na daw. Alright. Thank you so much, Ma'am, for participating, ha? Okay. You can take back your seat po. Palapakan po natin si Ma'am. Pwede na naman kayo, Ma'am. Okay, ito po si Ate BJ. Okay, dito po tayo. Okay, relax lang. We promise you, it's already trained naman. Okay, pag lalo kang natatakot, nako. Joke lang. Alright, now. Sino kasama po natin?
Mga friend ko po.
Friends, asan sino friends? Taas kumain. Now, friends, watch this. Okay, relax. Ate, don't say bad words. May mga bata tayo dyan sa harap. Okay, now. Don't worry, non-venomous naman po ang ating mga ahas. So, hindi nakakamatay ang kanilang kagat. But they are constrictor, meaning sasakalin nila yung pagkain bago lalamunin ang buo. Tamang-tama, gutom si Piol at si Daniel ngayong hapon. Oh, joke lang po. Okay, folks, okay, so pa-checking natin. Guys, sumobra na kasi kami sa aming show, folks, at yung mga trainers natin, hindi pa nakapag-merienda. So, kailangan muna namin mag-break in 15 minutes. Babalik lang po. Alright? Po, babalik lang po kami, ha? Folks, in 15 minutes, takhan kayo. Salamat! Alright, thank you so much. Joke lang. Ayan, maampo na mo. Biniro ka lang namin. Okay, ayan na. You can take back your seat. Palapakan po natin si Ate BJ. Ayan, thank you so much.
Ayaw pa na ba yun?
Alright, now, folks.
Ayaw pa.
Here we have our Portable Park. We have our people about this